This is your dog. And this is your dog on drugs. I was pretty excited a little while ago. Oh, there he is. Oh, you okay, dog? He's been put on drugs because of the thunderstorm, and he was pretty nervous a little while ago, but he's quite tame now. He's doing better. Although we don't want him to try to get up on the slippery floor because I don't think he's still really able to handle everything. Yeah. He's just gonna nap for a while here on the floor. So tired. Such a sleepy dog. Yeah, you're a good dog.